Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to share with you guys today how I usually dry my catfish at home, how I usually make my azwopo at home. So since I learned how to do this, I never bought azwopo from the market. So today I want to show you guys how I usually dry the fish. So I got this 3 kg fish online around 40 yuan, and it came this way already gutted. So all I needed to do was just to give it a very good wash and then get it ready for cutting. To be honest guys, this fish came like this and it was very scary. Like, I got confused on what to do with the head. So I went ahead and trimmed the head then and started cutting the fish. And I needed to cut the fish a little bit flat because of the size of the oven I'm using. So I tried to cut it a little bit flat, not so flat though, in order for it to dry faster. But it also depends on the size you want your fish to be. So after cutting the fish, I have to give it another wash to remove the remnants of blood on the fish before putting it in the pan for grilling. Just sprinkle some salt on the fish and then take it to the oven. In order to get your fish dry and crispy, always grill on a very low heat. In this way, you will be able to dry the fish without burning it. And another thing is, I always try to add a base, just like a pan, under the fish to gather the oil and water that will be dropping, because this oil could spark a fire when it drops on the bars of the oven. So after I've grilled the fish for some time, I brought it out and flip it over, put it back into the oven, keep on grilling until it's all dried up. And voila, here is the outcome. So this is how I usually get my dry fish. I never bought it in the market. And after drying it, please don't cover it, just take it outside and then dry it or sun dry it. And if it happens that the sun is not out, after 2 days, take it back into the oven and maybe heat it up for like 20 minutes and the fish will be all dried. Keep in a very cool, dry place. And that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching this episode, and please subscribe and like my video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.